Alright, so a lot going on here in Madrid. I'd like to go to Madrid if this is the type of people that they got. Don't want to drive in Madrid though, but looks like a lot of content and just entertainment, honestly. So I guess the takeovers in the States isn't that bad of a thing if this is drivers in Madrid. This guy, not sure what he was trying to do here. I like how he's trying to hold a probably 3,000 some odd pound car. And I like how they're staying in the car when it's clearly moving down a hill. I mean, that happens on those big jobs. This right here is, I mean, let's just watch it play out and then we'll talk about it. Alright, truck's like, oh, it's clear, train's not there, but you got this big crane on the top. Definitely was not in the clear, and he's definitely, he's going to have a clear schedule because now he's fired from his job, so. Not sure why people think it's a great idea to drive with weather like this. Well, granted, I thought they were sliding, but he literally just ran into him. Weather had no issue here. Quite mind-boggling that people are this bad at driving.
Or a blockade or something. Whoa, shit. Oh, well, there
You
we
know,
go.
I bet you the dude that got hit doesn't have a dash cam, and just imagine how clutch that dash cam would get, because you got the dude's license plate and everything.
She's leaving.
Holy shit. You probably can't pull over.
I'm gonna follow. Gosh, I don't want the same thing to happen to me.
Yeah. That guy's like, are you fucking kidding me, dude? You just saw another one.
I'm gonna follow that guy and get on it.
Yeah, you should.
Just contact him. That's why we got a dash cam.
Yeah.
This right here is quite crazy. Obviously, a wreck happens. Woman's got a dash cam, and she gets out of a car like any normal human. Homie just takes off, and she chases her. So we'll let the clip play out. You guys can see what's going on over there. She's trying to stop a car, and that's right. One single person is trying to stop a 3,500 pound car. Not really an ideal thing to do here. Not ideal to get on top of the car either. But, like, she hit her, obviously. Why would you get on top of somebody's car when they just hit you and they try to drive off? A lot of questions, but we'll let it play out.
Well, I'm not working. Give me that plate.
So would highly advise not chasing somebody when they hit and run. Get their license plate, and that's all you need. I mean, she's already totaled the car, so might as well just go ahead and total it some more. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? She's got herself in a predicament now.
You crazy? Why are you fucking banging up your car?
She asked if she's crazy when she's the one that did the hit and run and tried to leave, and now she's getting beat up in the car. Well, not quite beat up, but you get the point.
Give me my fucking key. You give me my key. Give me my fucking key. Where's my fucking key, lady? Where's my key, lady?
Get her off me.
She just fucking ran my car. You
She,
see this shit?
she just ran into me on the thing. And
You
tried
just
to
fucking
hit her.
ran me.
She just did a hit and
No,
run.
I didn't. You hit
I
me.
have the whole thing on dash cam.
You see her hit me? Did you see her run me?
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and craziness that unfolded there. But until next time, peace out, guys.